Hello and welcome to the EduPy Navigator series. In today's session, we will explore one of the most powerful modules in EduPy, the Mass Communication module. This feature helps educational institutions communicate quickly and effectively with parents, students, and staff through multiple channels. Before we begin, let's look at a few important prerequisites. First, ensure that the mobile numbers of parents and staff are properly updated in the respective master records. Parent contact numbers and staff mobile numbers are essential to ensure that notifications reach the right recipients. Second, verify that student allocations are accurate. Features such as section-wise messaging, class-wise communication, and individual student messaging depend on proper class, section, and roll number assignments. Maintain accurate student allocations will make communication much easier. Third, EduPy supports push notifications through the mobile app. Therefore, ensure that parents and staff have installed the EduPy mobile application to receive notifications instantly. If your institution uses SMS, email, or WhatsApp integrations, make sure those configurations have been completed before sending bulk communications. Now, let's get started. After logging into EduPy, navigate to the Mass Communication section and select Bulk Message. Click on Compose Message. Here, you will find several options for sending communications. All parents and staffs, all parents, all staffs, section-wise parents, academic group-wise. Depending on your requirement, you can choose the appropriate audience. You can type your message in English or in any regional language supported by your institution. If you prefer sending a voice message, simply click the microphone icon, record your voice note, save it, and send it directly. You can also attach images, documents, audio files, short videos, YouTube video links. Additionally, EduPy supports action buttons that can guide users directly to specific pages within the mobile application. If you do not see the button option, please contact the EduPy support team to enable it for your institution. These buttons help parents and staff navigate directly to the relevant section of the app with a single click. Next, let's look at section-wise messaging. Although section-wise communication can also be performed from the bulk messaging interface, this module provides additional flexibility. You can send messages to an entire section, send messages to selected students. This is especially useful when communicating information relevant to a specific group of students. Just like bulk messaging, you can send text messages, voice notes, images, videos, and document attachments. The next feature is daily codes. Using this module, you can schedule motivational messages, daily thoughts, inspirational quotes, or important reminders that will be automatically delivered on the selected date. The Daily Codes module also supports images, videos, documents, rich media content. This helps institutions engage regularly with parents, students, and staff. Now let's explore the gallery feature. The Gallery module allows institutions to share photographs and media content with parents and staff. You can upload and share event photos, activity images, videos, documents. Recipients can view the content directly through the app and interact with it by liking or responding to the shared gallery items. This is an excellent way to showcase activities and achievements. The next feature is announcements. Announcements are designed for high-priority communications that need immediate attention. Through this module, you can send important notices, emergency updates, circulars, event notifications. You can enhance announcements with images and short videos to improve engagement and visibility. These are some of the key features available in EduPy's Mass Communication module. EduPy also offers several additional communication tools, which we will cover in separate Navigator videos in the coming weeks. Thank you for joining. See you in the next EduPy Navigator video. Have a wonderful day.